Stata has a certain way of storing the panel data. Therefore, we have to arrange the panel data in a certain way so that it gets accepted by the Stata in that acceptable manner. So in this video we will learn how we can do this. We have a panel data of 90 firms, and this is how it is. We have firms, we have years, we have those variables, and this is the data. You can see that I have distinguished them in an alternative way, where when the data of the next firm starts, the formatting changes from bold to unbold. So I'm scrolling down to show you how much of the data is there. It is about 90 firms, so these are the 90 firms that we have here. What we do is that we write the names of those firms that we are dealing with, or countries or individuals. So in the first column it's better to write the names of the firms or the individuals or countries, whatever the case may be. And then there is a year column, the data of the first firm from 2006 to 2011. And then we have another variable which is FRM underscore dum. It is basically firm dummy. What we do is we declare a variable which is a dummy for each firm. For the first firm it is 1 for all these years, and the next firm, that is the second firm, for all these years has a certain dummy, that is 2. For the third firm it is 3. For the fourth firm it is 4. And finally for the final firm it is 90, because it was 90th firm. So this is an identifier that Stata uses to understand if it is a panel data or not. Then there are variables. This is the value of MVA for the first year, that is 2006, and this is for the second year, third and fourth, and the final year. So we have firm names, their dummies, the year column, and then all of the variables. This is how we arrange it. Now we will copy paste it into the Stata, as we have already learned it, that how we copy paste the data in Stata or import. So now we come to the Stata interface. Here we go into the file menu, import, because we are going to import the data from the Excel file that we just developed. And here this dialog box guides us about it. Here we have placed the file, we select it, and now it is populated. In this preview we can see, but this first row has this variable names, so this is not suitable. We want to import the first row as the variable names. So now the variable names are in the first column row header. As I click it again, so this is how it should be. Now we click OK, so it gets populated. Just to verify, we go to the data and see the data editor in edit mode. The data is there as it should be. So finally the data is imported, but we are basically concerned with the declaration of the Stata format for the panel data. For that we have this command, that is xt set, and then we write that dummy variable name, which is frm underscore dum, then year. So this is what we do. Xt set, x stands for the cross sections, t stands for the time variable, set means that it's going to declare it, frm dum is the dummy for the firm, which is the identifier in Stata for the cross sections, and year is the number of years. When we click enter, it gives us this message that says that it's a panel variable. The firm dum, the identifier, tells us that we have a panel data in Stata now, and time variable is there, and the time span is this delta 1 unit. It means that now it is converted into panel data. So in this way we can conform our data with the requirement of the Stata when it comes to the panel data, and now we can use this data set for all the panel data execution that we will do in the next video. Thank you.